Hi guys! Today, we are visiting a beautiful park here in Mexico City. Let's go! Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today, I am super excited to take you all on a tour of one of the biggest and most iconic parks here in Mexico, the Chapultepec Park. Nestled in the heart of Mexico City, Chapultepec Park is a lush oasis that spans over 1,695 acres. Located in the upscale Miguel Hidalgo borough, Chapultepec Park stretches along Avenida Paseo de la Reforma, offering a fresh escape from both locals and tourists. The history of Chapultepec Park goes back thousands of years. The name Chapultepec comes from a local dialect which means at the grasshopper's hill. The Aztecs also built a series of aqueducts to bring fresh water from the springs here in Chapultepec to their capital in Tenochtitlán. There is also a famous castle in here at the top of its hill, but unfortunately, we didn't have enough time to visit it. Known as one of the largest city parks in Mexico, Chapultepec Park is huge. We are talking here of over 2,000 acres of greenery, lakes, museum, castle, and even a zoo. Just look at those trees. This place is seriously a green haven, and it's perfect for a stroll or a bike ride, especially if you want to escape the hustle and bustle of the city. This place is not just any park. It's an oasis in the middle of a bustling city. And it is packed with history, culture, and beautiful green spaces. The next place that we saw here is the Chapultepec Lake. Chapultepec Lake is one of the park's most relaxing spots. And if you are into photography, there are tons of beautiful spots in here to snap some pictures. The lake is surrounded by trees, and you can even rent bikes or just take a leisurely walk around it. You can also rent some paddle boats if you want to go into the lake. And if you get hungry, there are plenty of places to sit and grab something to eat or drink around this lake. Whether you're here to soak in its natural beauty, dive into its history, or just want to enjoy some downtime, this park really has something for everyone. I highly recommend adding it to your list next time you're here in Mexico City. So there you have it, a quick visit at Chapultepec Park, a true gem in the middle of Mexico City. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you think about this park. See you again in the next video. Ciao!